Oh my goodness, it's still Sunday and I'm minutes away from the dumb Chiefs game, but God, it feels like time has stood still. So that's right, I guess I'm gonna be back out here for one more show before this game gets started. Woo! Still drinking a little Knob Creek 9-year single barrel. Oh my goodness, it is fantastic. Definitely recommend. Oh, definitely recommend it. If you can find it, make sure you grab a bottle. I got it at Sam's. If you need to come up and see me, come up and see me. Oh my goodness, but please, please check it out for yourself. So, all right. I think, God, that wind's picked up. Probably can't hear me. Two in. Three in. Oh, come on. Four in. There we go. Starting off better. I already posted a few videos from today. Didn't get off to very good starts, but that's not bad right there. 12, 13, 14. 15. Ooh. 15 after 9 washer throws. Oh, something I do want to mention. So I was checking YouTube. Did a little washer, just looking around, see what people were playing. I like to do that every now and again. Yes, I am a dork, but that's all right. Anyway, didn't see really any boards like these. And I'm telling you what, these are, in my opinion, the most fun boards to play on. I have played on, like the store-bought ones with the 2x4s. I got a friend that's what he plays on, so I play him on his. Me and my buddy Hackelman, we'd post some videos. So we tried the Dig the Dirt Out that they play kind of in the South, I guess. And played that for a while. Yeah, it didn't last. Like, these are the only boards that last. I'm telling you what, they are fantastic. And my apologies about the wind, goodness sakes. 3 in the middle is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ooh, that's not bad. 14 plus 15 is 29, as you can see right there. Pardon me, my JDT caddies helped me out, as they always do. Throwing 9 washers, so 18 washers in, 25 points. Or 29 points, I'm sorry. Had a first round of 15, second round of 14. 21 right here gets it done. Knob Creek single barrel getting it done for me today too. Yes, yes. All right, let's go. Two in. Dang. That's the direction I've been shooting better has been this way, and not very good. 2 in for 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 more puts me at 38. 27 washers thrown. Still good pace. Not record pace, at least for my show. So, least washers I've thrown, the least amount is 31. So, that's my low number on this podcast. Not a great number, honestly. But, hey, it is what it is. I always have fun, and goodness sakes. Sunday afternoon before the Chiefs play the Vikings. I am just having a great afternoon. I hope you are as well. Goodness sakes, just rimming them. Can't find the middle. There it is. Come on. Goodness sakes. Started off this show shooting pretty good washers and have not been able to keep it up. Just that one end. That's 3, 4, 5, 6. I only needed 12, so I need 6 more. That's right. 44, 36 washers thrown. A lot of them came up short. You can see right here. Way too many of them just hitting the front of that damn box right here. That stupid thing. That's right. But, oh my goodness. Yeah, if you're a washer fan, I'm telling you what, check out how to make these boards. I got them on my community page. Soon you'll be able to buy them from me directly from my YouTube channel. So if you want to, if you don't want to make your own, my brother-in-law is going to start building some for me. So hit me up on that. And we'll get some boards shipped right to you, my man. So, oh, the last one rimmed out. I got it done though. I only needed 6 points. Oh, what we got? 3 in the middle? That's right. There's 9. Oh, 4 in the middle. 12, 13, 14. Job is done. Absolutely. So, that's right. I'm Ryan, your host of Whiskey and Washers. The most fun washers I've seen on YouTube for beginners and advanced players. So, that's right. You see them right here. As you always do on Whiskey and Washers. Thanks for joining me. Let's go Chiefs.